Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. WTI slides heavily back towards session lows. http ntvforex.com News ID 249102. July 13, 1851 GMT. By Ross J. Berland. U.S. Energy Information Administration says shale oil output is to drop to a 2-year low. 0.7 major shale formations is expected to decline by about 56,000 barrels per day. WTI has been under pressure in New York, sliding from $40.60s in the recent trade to an hourly low of $39.89. WTI has traveled on the day between $39.97 and $40.70, with all eyes on the JMMC meeting as OPEC are set to taper its historic oil production agreement. Meanwhile, the latest news to hit markets is that shale oil output is to drop to a 2-year low of 7.49 MLNBPD in August, according to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, which it said in a monthly forecast on Monday. The latest market report from the IEA also increased demand expectations relative to last month, but they cite the renewed virus risks as reason to be cautious moving forward. Reuters reports that the output from 7 major shale formations is expected to decline by about 56,000 barrels per day. U.S. producers have slashed spending and curtailed new drilling as oil prices collapsed this year after the coronavirus pandemic eroded global fuel demand. In related news, the U.S. oil and gas rig count, an early indicator of future output, fell by 5 to an all-time low of 258 in the week to July 10, according to the Baker Hughes data released on Friday. We continue to expect a noteworthy rebalancing in 2H 2020 despite the OPEC tapering, but we see evidence that crude oil prices have priced in much of the positive factors nonetheless, suggesting that caution may also be warranted, analysts at TD Securities explained. After all, expectations for supply-side support are ebbing with OPEC and shale production stabilizing, while demand concerns are rising as the virus spreads in large U.S. states. Ultimately, we think prices may remain range-bound with a keen eye on virus-related data, as well as shale and OPEC output. With that said, trend follower positioning remains constrained across the complex amid a high volatility environment. WTI levels. Overview. Today last price point 40.13. Today daily change 0.62. Today daily change percent 1.52. Today daily open point 40.75. Trends. Daily SMA 20.39.54. Daily SMA 50.35.22. Daily SMA 100.32.79. Daily SMA 200.44.58. Levels. Previous daily high point 40.89. Previous daily low 38.73. Previous weekly high point 41.14. Previous weekly low 38.73. Previous monthly high point 41.65. Previous monthly low 34.45. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 40.07. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 39.56. Daily pivot point S1.39.35. Daily pivot point S2.37.96. Daily pivot point S3.37.19. Daily pivot point R1.41.52. Daily pivot point R2.42.29. Daily pivot point R3.43.68. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.